Let's talk today about first person. Often, when we want to write college level essays, we fall into writing in the context of I, me, my, we, our. That's first person. And most college essays want us to avoid first person so that we sound more objective and more formal. Unless your essay has asked for first person or asked for a narrative, you generally want to avoid first person. Avoiding first person can cause students stress because it's the way they're more comfortable writing, but we can avoid first person without changing our own voices and how we sound and write. So one way to do that, the way I usually recommend for students, is to just go ahead and write the rough draft the way that you want to. And that might include first person. Don't worry about it, because if you're stressing avoiding first person in your rough draft, you're just going to get writer's block. Write it as you're thinking it, get it down, take a break, play a video game, see some friends, come back, then look for first person and remove it. Here are a few examples of doing that. You can see in this first example that all they've had to do is remove the words "we can see" and just start the sentence with "the author uses." Those kind of fixes are the easier fixes. Other times you might need a little bit more shifting, such as instead of saying "my research shows that," instead say "research shows that," or name the researcher and then include the citation.